Oh, look at that thing. Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I want to say thank you to so many of you who have replied to the last week's giveaway. To the giveaway that I'm giving you free things. It is now closed, okay? You are no more. No one else's girl coming in. That is closed now, and you would have already got a DM from me. So if you haven't got DM once now this video's up, you are not in for the chance of winning, okay? Thank you to so many of you who keep clicking on and liking and sharing my videos. I'm so appreciative of you, especially my online friends who keep coming back and giving me such wonderful conversation. It's been a marathon for me to try and reply all of your comments, but I do it. I get around to speaking to so many of you in the end. So thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, you are so welcome. That's it. Right, let's get on with the video, okay? As you can see in the title, this is about how I got my hair from this. To a lovely, voluptuous, curly head of hair. I want to share with you my 5 tips of how I got my hair from basically curl-less hair to lovely, curly, defined curls. If you want to see that, just hang around. Okay, right. I've got my notes here. It's only 5 of them, and I'm not intending for this video to be too long. So this video has come about because I get so many DMs. So many of you slide into my DMs or email me, leave comments here on YouTube as well, and just ask me, can you help me with my hair? My hair is not curling, or my hair's not healthy, my hair's not growing. When I read these comments, I'm like, I don't know. I am not a hairologist, or am I a guru for hair? But what I am doing is actually blogging and detailing through documentation on YouTube my healthy hair journey. In some way it seems to be inspiring so many of you. So I'm going to attempt in this video to answer that question about how you can get your hair to curl or be healthy, okay? Talking about the hair, yes. Some of you my online friends may notice that my hair is shorter right now. It's not as long. Because if you're on my social media, you would have noticed this week that I actually trimmed my hair again. Because look, it's still a good length, as you can see. It's still good. It's still not bad. I haven't really lost that much in the length. However, after I did that video, I couldn't believe it. I thought, what are these on my ends? Ha! Split ends are the enemy of progress. My ends were so badly jagged. I was like, they have to go. So I'm just going to talk you through just 5 of the things. I didn't want to overcomplicate it. And a lot of these things you have seen and heard for years. Let's go back. This hair, this hair here. I thought this was curly hair. I was getting up and doing my hair and thinking that this was curly hair. It is obvious to me I had no friends. So number 1 is I started a routine. I just said to myself that I was going to do a routine. Prior to me deciding I was going to do a routine, I would wash my hair whenever I felt like it. Like it would be on a Wednesday, or it will be on a Friday the next week, or it will be on a Saturday because I just want to refresh the curls again. But I'm washing my hair whenever. I was either losing a lot of hair through detangling because I left it too long to wait to detangle my hair, or I'm manipulating my hair again and stripping it from its natural oils. So I had to just sort of stop. So the routine really helped. I just picked a day, and it was usually because I'm going to church on a Sunday, so I need my hair looking very nice and mattifying. But after a while, when I started to study my hair, I realised that day 3 after wash day was the best day. It was nice and big and puffy. By the way, my hair is day 2, so it's getting there. It's not quite the best day yet. Take notes. You've got to study your hair. So the second thing I did, I used natural products. Girl, it's not rocket science. So I invested in good quality products. Apart from my own line, which is why I started my hairline, was because my own hair was breaking off. and it hadn't any curl, my Amari Me products really came and saved the day. Prior to starting my own hairline, Amari Me, I did actually invest in other natural products, but they were so expensive, which drew me to starting my own hairline. I just thought, I'm going to make it affordable for everybody. Come on here, amen. So no silicones and harmful products that will actually coat your hair to prevent your hair from being healthy and growing like it should be growing. But what I did need was products that were high in vitamins, nutrients, minerals, high in moisture, and primarily were curly girl friendly. So the third thing I remember doing that actually really helped my hair to curl and become very, very healthy, because if your natural hair is not curling, it's just because your hair is dead. The ends are dead. They need to go. They need to be cut off. They are not your friends. They're not your friends. So I big chopped. This is my big chop. This is my hair blow dry straight, and I bantu knotted it, took it out, put a scarf around my head. This is what I was rocking quite a bit at the time. Bearing in mind that when my hair was curly, it was really, really short for me, because I've not had short hair, well, not hair that length before, which is why I ran to the heating tools and started blow drying my hair straight, getting the tongs out and really getting that dead straight hair, because I needed to see length once again. And what was that doing? That was breaking my hair even more. And would my hair curl? No, it wouldn't. So needless to say, heated tools, they needed to go. I just realised that when I was trying to put all the products on my hair, even if they were natural products, my hair still wasn't curling. So the cut really helped my hair. That's the third thing I did. I cut my hair. I started to notice that my hair was making a little bit of difference. So as you can see here, the ends were terrible still. Some of my ends were very straight. And I didn't cut it all off, but I gradually got it all cut. So it was about 4 weeks after I did the cut, and I stopped using heat tools like straightening my hair and blow drying it straight on high heat. So during that month, when I decided that I was not going to use heated tools to stretch my hair to give me more length, so what I did was I incorporated a lot of DIY Evader tea rinses. I made sure my hair was kept moisturized. That was number 4. I kept my hair moisturized. This was imperative. So that's what I did. I put together different tea rinses that would really help my hair. Got a video up there. One of the most simplest things I've ever done was this DIY, and this was one of the game changers that I consistently used over the period of time. My hair flourished. I'd spray it if I thought it was a bit dry or frizzy. I'd just spray it down and then put some Mel's Bottom Me Up. You can put whatever moisturizing or oil to seal your hair, that moisture in. So within that time, it was probably about 6 weeks after trimming my hair and consistently keeping my hair moisturized, this is how bouncy my curls was. My curls just formed. They came to life. Another thing that I was doing that was amazing, which is conditioning my hair the right way. That's right, deep conditioning. I know everyone says it, but I cannot stress it enough. So I went from just conditioning my hair to deep conditioning my hair. That's what I meant by conditioning my hair the right way. Putting some heat on my hair. Now I'm talking about the right type of heat. So I put one of those heated caps on that's attached to your blow dryer, and it would allow some heat in my hair, which would allow my cuticles to open up whatever product that I had in my hair, which was usually some kind of Ayurvedic product. Something that would feed my hair was a natural product. I was giving my hair a chance to eat all of that goodness. And that would be my weekly feeding for my hair. Like, my hair just loved it. Slowly but surely, my hair started to transform. Even when I did on the odd times blow dry my hair straight or straighten my hair through without heat, look at the curl, look at the health of my hair. On these times, I actually didn't use heat on my hair, but I found other means of stretching my hair to get this type of straightening effect. And lastly, which I know so many people say this, just be patient. Be patient with your hair. I mean, I had moments where I was like, forget this, where's the tongs? And I would just burn my hair and have to start again. You do have setbacks of your hair journey. You do have times where you feel like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. Just don't give up. Your hair journey is a marathon, but you will get there in a minute, because the finish line is right there. Can you see it? I had moments of madness along my journey, but I always retreated back to those 5 things that I've just mentioned to you. I hope in some way it would inspire and answer some of your questions just to keep going. So guys, I hope in some way this has helped or inspired or encouraged you to keep going, to persevere. Remember not to give yourself unrealistic goals, you know, just look at your last month, say to yourself, in 30 days, I'm going to achieve this much. All I've done is shown you the 5 ways I trained my hair back to being curly again, the healthy way. So as always, I'd like to hear from you guys what you actually did to get your hair curly again, or to feed your hair with nourishment and get it looking really beautiful and healthy. So the 3rd month challenge of 2020 is coming up on the next video. So as always, I always leave a little bit of a gap between challenges. Don't want to confuse my hair too much, don't want to overload it with too much moisture or too much protein. So we are giving our hair a little rest. Also, I will leave a link in the description bar for all of the natural products that I used, from taking my curl from zero to va-va-voom to help you. You can look at the labels, see if they're clean ingredients, and if it's something that you would like to try for yourself, go ahead and invest. But for now, guys, I'm going. I will see you again on my next video. You take care now, and God bless you. Mwah. Bye. Give yourself realistic goals. Oh, look at this curl. This is so nice. Look at the juiciness of this curl. Look at this. Oh, look at the juiciness and the bounce.